Kia ora guys, welcome to another flip video session. Today we are learning to count on and back in tenths, hundredths and thousandths. Let's get into it. Counting on and back in tenths. You may get a problem that looks like this. So you've got 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 or 7 tenths, 8 tenths, 9 tenths, and you're asked to carry on the pattern. The first thing you need to do is recognize the pattern that is happening in front of your eyes. Look closely, take your time. You should realize that the number is increasing by 1/10 each time. Once you recognize the pattern, continue it. So it would be 7 tenths, 8 tenths, 9 tenths, 1 whole. Then it would be 1.1 or 1 whole and 1/10, 1 whole and 2 tenths, 1 whole and 3 tenths. You may get a problem that looks like this. So a pattern going backwards. So 3.3 or 3 whole and 3 tenths, 3 whole and 2 tenths, 3 wholes and 1/10, and then you have to carry the pattern on going the other way. Again, study the numbers carefully and try to figure out what's happening. In this example, we're going backwards in tenths. So we'd have 3 wholes, then 2.9, and then 2.8. All right, counting on and back in hundredths. You may get a problem that looks like this. 1.77, 1.78, 1.79. What comes next? Again, look closely at the problem. Analyze it. Figure out what's going on. You should realize that the number is increasing by 1/100th each time. Once you recognize it, continue it. So we'd go 1.78, 1.80, 1.81, 1.82. Now you can say 1.82 or 1 whole, 8 tenths and 2 hundredths, either way works in your head, go with it. Again, going backwards. Study the pattern carefully, figure out how much it's decreasing by each time, and then continue the pattern. So we started at 3.14, 3.13, 3.12. We're decreasing by 100th each time, so let's continue that pattern. 3.14, 3.13, 3.12, 3.11, 3.10, 3.09. It pays to take your time to figure out what is happening in the sequence. Identify the change that is happening. All right, counting on and back in thousandths. You may get a problem that looks like this. 6.888, 6.889. Stop. Figure out how much it is either increasing or decreasing by. In this case, it is going up in thousandths. So remember, 10 thousandths equal 1/100th. So we'd go 6.888, 6.889, 6.890, 6.891, and then 6.892. You may get a problem going the other way. Stop, analyze, figure out what's going on. So we had 6.102, 6.101, 6.100. Analyze it. I recognize that it's decreasing by 1/1000th each time, so I'm going to continue that pattern. So I go 6.100, then I'd go 6.099, 6.098, 6.097. And again, guys, you can use that language, or you could say 6 wholes, 0 tenths, 9 hundredths, and 7 thousandths, which either way works in your head. Stick with it. Good luck.